Hey guys, this is RLC321 back at 321's Fantastic Plastic, back again with another model kit build video. This time we're going to continue on with our JJ prize. There we go, there. Video's done, we've continued with our JJ prize. There we go. No, not really. What I wanted to talk about, you can see it's all been light blocked in there with a nice couple of coats of black and one coat of gloss white. Perfect. Now, I wanted to talk about some things here. So on here, we're going to have two lights here, one light in the back, lights here, and a light here. Now, these here and that one in the middle is going to be in the middle. That's going to be the double blinks. These here are also going to be lights. This is for to light up the registry and that, and there's two just there as well. These are actually kind of small. This here is also kind of small, so we're going to have to get rid of that detail that's there and these here to put the lights in. Now the thing is, with these ones, I'm going to have to try and angle them so they angle correctly. Yeah, which is gonna be kind of fun. Or I might just get some SMDs, but that means probably more SMDs. I haven't got any white SMDs. But these ones here, the kit comes with, where did I put the kit? As you've probably seen the other video where I was building that bad boy. So the kit actually comes with these 3mm LEDs, which actually I don't need to get those. I'll just get another pack of 3mm LEDs out. Come to Papa. Here we go. That's a 3mm LED, and in fact I don't know if we can get up close and personal here. But you can see that there, that's where one of the lights is. But if you look at that bulb is far too big. Far too big. But, never fear, because where there's a will, there's a way. And this will, bought these on eBay. And these are 2mm lighthouse or castle LEDs. And if we get back up close and personal here, that is pretty damn close to the correct size. Pretty damn close. Now obviously I can't have it sticking up all like that, so I'm gonna have to shave some off. But yeah, so I've got these, and thinking about it, the only way to find out how much I'm going to need is actually drill a hole and go from there. But before we do drill the hole, first off, excuse me, I'm just going to make a little mark, roughly centered. With my kniffy, get my trusty thing. That trusty thing, get out there. Alright, now I should have that, I believe, is just a little bit smaller than a smaller. Yeah, that's a bit too small, that one. So what about this one? How about you? That one there is almost correct. Let's get me other bits. How about this one? And not quite, no. That's looking a bit too much. Right, okay, so let's go into my other box. Right. Here we go. So I'm looking for is that how I that's how I unlock it, yes. Right. So I need a 2 mil. That's the one I am after. Oops. So how do you get these out? Oh, that just pops open. Okay. Does it? I think so. Anyway, 2 mil is just there. Okay. So let's plug that back over here and then just get this 2 mil out and then just double check, make sure. And that is doggone perfect. Right. I mean, I know 2 mil is still a bit too much, but that's what I'm going to be using. So now I've just got to figure out what you're going to fit in. That's quite tight in there. Don't even think it. I know it's what she said, but it doesn't matter. You don't think it. You don't say it. Perfect. That's the one I want. Plonk you in there. Where's my doobly flip? La di da dee 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 la di da dee. There we go. And, whoa, too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast. Bring it way down to about 1. Okay. And now, hopefully, because I've got that little thing there, I can then drill out go, a 2mm hole. Let's close that off. Just need to do a little bit of clean up here. Right. Well, that's one video done already. Oh, well, it's done rendering anyway. Right, okay, it's not quite as straight as I would have liked, but it'll do fine. So this should now fit lovely jubbly up there, but as you can see, that is still sticking up a bit too much. I want it about there, not too much, but just right. So it's looking like I'm gonna have to take off a few things, you know, sand it down a bit. So let's give it a try. Let's have a look. You know, you don't want to go too mad too much or too fast. Just a little fraction more. And obviously try and keep it straight as well. That'll be beneficial too. Alright, let's have a look at that one. So, yeah, there we go. That. No, you can't see, can you? There you go. No, you still can't see. You still can't see. Still can't. No, there. That is just about right. So, excuse me. So that's going to be one of the LEDs in place there. So now I know roughly how tall I'm going to need it. I need to do the same thing for all of the others as well. Okay, so how many am I gonna need? I'm not gonna do this yet because there's something that's gonna be in its place as well. So I'm not gonna do that until I get the parts to drill those out. But at least now I know what size I need and what length that's gonna be. So how many did I say I needed? I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's for the top, and for the bottom. For the bottom, it's something I wanted to talk about at the bottom. There is no marker lights, no marks for where the light's going to go. But right there is where one of the white strobes is going to go. There, and 2 at the back, just here, right in the centers. Okay, that's where they are going to be going. So we just have to remember that when we go to do this part. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue on getting these out and drilling these holes, and I will bring you guys back in a minute. Okay. Excuse me, I'm now back, and I've drilled all the holes where they need to be. There, and then on this dude right there. Now the next thing is I can readjust the camera. There you go. Is these bits here that we need to sort out. So there's little nubbins where the lights are going to be. So and I think this goes in here like so. Into them holes there, but I made a silly mistake, and I got paint on the pins. So something you've got to look out for is paint on the pins, because that's going to stop it from things from seating correctly and being and things like that. So you got to should really have masked them, but I didn't. So yeah, I didn't. I'm just going to make these just ever so slightly bigger, just to help me out a little bit. There's one more there as well. There we go. Okay, so I think this goes into here on these, right there, and then this goes into there. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I need to get back in the holes. There you go. Obviously I need to drill through this and make a mark as to where I'm going to drill for this bad boy as well, so the light will come through. Okay, so that's that one done. So I've got the mark there. Now here, I think what I will do, get some masking tape. Just hold it down that way. And that way when I drill in there, it's not going to interfere. So let's get my trusty drill. Oh, by the way, I have also filed all of these down, and I've tried to give them a roughly domed shape as well. That was hard. That wasn't fun. Trying to hold a square piece and trying to turn it round is a nightmare. So let's get this on. Let's get it on. Oh yeah. Right. So let's just tighten that up a snip. There we go. Now then, before I do that, I just want to file this little nubbin down a bit so it's nice and flat. Because that way it's going to be easier for me to drill into, he says. Right, so let's try and get a center. Am I in the center? Yes-ish. Get a little starty hole going. And now get you roughly in the center as well. Get another little starty hole going. There we go. Right, now let's drill. There you go, straight through there. Let's twist this around. Straight through there. Right, let's put that there for the moment, because now I need to see how these two are going to look inside here. Right, that is actually just perfect. It only you can't really see it. Whoops, damn it. Right, get back down. Get back down there. Right. You can't really see it, but it only just crests the lip, which is perfect. Just what I want. Let's make sure the other side is fine as well. That probably would be beneficial. Yeah, and the other side. I don't know if you can see it there. There you go. I'm moving it there. So that is perfect for that. So there's those 10 done. Let's take this part off now, because we don't need it. And next I'm going to drill a nice little hole. Excuse me, please. Right there. Because this is so the light can shine through onto the crystal above it. So I'm also now just trying to make it bigger. Actually, does that set have a bigger one in? Only slightly bigger, but not by much. Right, okay, let's turn that off now. There we go. So that should be a big enough hole to let the light shine through in there, and then obviously we're going to have light bleed through on these parts as well. Okay, awesome. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave that video there. I think the next part, let's put these back because now they're those bites are done with at the moment. I think the next video, I think I might put the bridge together and the bottom saucer part together, because we need to do that now anyway before we go too far with our preparation work. So guys, I will say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.